Stock number 40469G. It's a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It does have a key, it does not start. See, it's got front end damage, fender's no good, bumper's no good, hood's no good, headlights are gone. This headlight over here is good. It's a hybrid. Front fender's no good. Driver door's no good. It's damaged. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbag is deployed. The driver knee airbag is deployed. The driver's seat belt and the passenger seat belt is locked. And the passenger dash airbag is deployed. Does have a key, like I said, does not start. Does have a sunroof. Glove box down here. This door don't open right here. So I have to go around. This door opens. Show you third row seating. TV monitors on the back screen. It is. And the passenger knee airbag is also deployed. Don't forget that passenger knee airbag is deployed as well. Again, this is stock number 40469G. It is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It does have a key, it does not start.